Hey guys, in this video, I am showing you one of my clients' hair. His actual new growth grow outside of his lock. And with that being said, it is very hard to make sure all of that new growth is inside of the lock. This also comes from texture and it comes from going too long without lock maintenance. So it just depends. But I'm about to show you guys how I actually braid the root and then I wrap the new growth. This is an easy way to do it and you don't have to worry about it undoing. So take one strand, take your lock, and then take another strand and just go ahead and just braid that new growth in. Okay, and then once you get done braiding a little bit of it, I like to go ahead and wrap it nice and tight around the root so you don't got to worry about any braids showing or anything like that. And I'm telling you, this is a great way to make sure all the new growth is inside of the lock, because sometimes just twisting it does not work. Another way that I showed you guys previously was with a crochet hook, but I wanted to show you another way that was much more easier. And I'm going to show you another example of how to be able to do it to make sure that you got it correctly. Okay, so again, you take all of the new growth hair, get it nice and tight. I like to brush it all in there. And I'm going to take 3 pieces. You see how I got one piece, and then I have the lock, and then I have the other piece. So you got to make 3 pieces, and then you just braid that in. Once again, same concept. And then always you leave just a little bit so I can still wrap it. And you don't got to worry about the braids showing. And I'm telling you, this is a perfect way to make sure all your new growth stay inside of your lock. So try this. I know you will like it. And I do my hair like this also. So this is just another way if you don't know how to use a crochet hook. I'm gonna give you one more example. Go ahead and check it out. And please, guys, don't forget to follow for more and tag me if you do try this technique. Okay?
I thought you said you were from Harlem. Sorry about the getting there. Should have fainted like I told you. Who's that white girl who kept screaming at you? Nobody. I'm sorry, baby. At that time, I didn't know what I was going to be when I grew up. But I knew I wasn't going to be a basketball player. Oh, it's okay. At least I passed my social studies quiz. What's that? Nothing. Anybody want some Kool-Aid?